Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B, and I'm here to give you a quick recipe info on what I'm cooking today. These are beef bones or beef neck bones. I call it a filet meat. Most times when I'm making oxtails, and we all know oxtails are like $200 per pound now, I use the beef bone meat, or when I have beef stew or beef cube meat. So as you can see, these have been cooking for about 2.5 hours and they are falling apart. What I did was I washed them in vinegar and water, patted them dry, and then I seasoned them with salt, pepper, a little onion powder, garlic pepper, and some steak seasoning. I used some Grace browning sauce, or browning, whatever you want to call it. I also used some A1 steak sauce, and I seasoned the meat with some oxtail seasoning. I put it in the skillet. It's been cooking on low for about 2.5 hours. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the gravy. So being lazy, I used some brown gravy mix, and I used 2 packages of the French onion recipe mix. I added a little bit of butter and some water. I also took the drippings from the pan, put it in the microwave for about 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'm about to add the gravy to the beef bones, and I also added a can of ROTEL diced tomatoes with jalapeno peppers. Okay, let me pour this hot gravy in here. Woo. So guys, I'm just going to let this cook down for maybe another 20 minutes. And this meat is done. I'm going to serve it with some white rice and some veggies. And that's it. Super easy. I will list all of the ingredients that I use down in the description box or show more box. But guys, this is a no-fail recipe. And once again, it is beef bones with onion and garlic powder, black pepper, steak seasoning, browning sauce, oxtail seasoning, steak sauce, and I just let it marinate for about 20 minutes, put it in the skillet. Now that it's just about done, I added the brown gravy mix, the French onion gravy mix, with some water and some butter, and this is it. So guys, once again, I will list the ingredients and the step-by-steps that I took. And that's it. I just want to give you a quick update on my beef bones. So guys, if you see beef bones in the meat market, get them, because they're going to go fast. All right. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.